Alright, hello everyone, I'm back again for another Android tutorial. In this video I will show you how to create a secure reveal effect transition for a new activity. Okay, as you can see, I'm here in this Stack Overflow and someone asked about how to create a secure reveal transition for a new activity. That's a good question if you want to create an animation to your app. Okay, and this one is the top answer, and I think this is the right answer because I tested it and it works fine. But the circular reveal effect starts from the center of the layout. Okay, we will see that later. I just follow these codes, just copy it and paste it into your file, except for this one. I created a relative layout. Inside of this layout I add a text view. Okay, just the same. And okay, let's see what the problem is. Okay, and let me show you the main activity. It's just a floating action button, the bottom of the layout, bottom right, and floating action button. I add a set on click listener to start a new activity. The name of the activity is next activity class. Okay, so let's try it. Okay, let's click the fab. Okay, you see that secure reveal effect started from the center of the layout. Let's try it again. Click it. There you go. Let's fix that. Okay, let's go back to the next activity and let's edit the code from Stefan Medak. Very nice name. Okay, what the hell? Okay, first we need to this one. Okay, we need to change this method to get right and this one to get bottom. Let's remove this and then minus to get dips 44, get dips 44. Let's create this method that returns an int. Okay, let's change this to DPS. Okay, why is it 44? Okay, let's do the math. And let me open the paint. Where is it? Okay, here, color white. Let's assume this is our app. Okay, the floating action button. The size of the floating action button is 56 dp, and then the margin is 16 dp. If we want to show the silhouette reveal effect to here, center of the floating action button, so how do we do that? We need to divide this into 2, and then add the result of this into this margin. So let's do that. Calculator, and then 56 divided by 2 is equal to 28. Add it with 16. It's 44. Where 44. Okay. That's it. Let's close this, and then we need to change this 44 to dips, and let's add some code. We need to get the resources, and then return here, return the dips value. Okay, so type value that apply dimension, and then type value this one, complex unit dip, and then pass the DPS and the resources, get display metrics, and then we're done. Okay, let's run it. Close this. Okay. Okay, our app is loaded. Let's try. Let's click it. There you go. Well done. What if we click the back button? Okay. We want to create an animation so that it looks good. Okay, when we press the back button. So let's do that. Call the on back press. Someone answered it here. Let's just copy it and some, and let's edit some code. Okay. Change this to background. Okay, let's see if it works. Okay, let's click it, and let's click the back button. Oh, what the hell happened? Let's try to fix it. let's set this to 3 seconds, and then we need to pass the play. Okay, this one. No, let's set this to get bottom, and then get tips minus get tips 44. Let's try. Okay, let's click the button, and now let's click the back button. There you go. But the problem is this one. We need to subtract it to 44 because the floating action button does have 16 dp margin. Okay, so let's try it again. Let's click the button, okay, and then the back button. There you go. Hope it helps you. If it helps you, please subscribe to my channel and have a productive day.